The civil war may have ended, but in Somalia today, humanitarian agencies say 700,000 people are so malnourished that they're in imminent danger. Somali-Americans like Abdi Risak Kulmi are therefore a lifeline.
Who's going to help them? I'm the one who send money. All my Somali community help them send the money. That's the only thing we know.
The last major US financial institution willing to service the wire transfers, Merchants Bank of California, has abruptly closed its doors to these Somali businesses.
This is shock for me today. This is for shock. I send $50, $100 for one is a wire. If not consecutive month, send money here. We send the money people who need the money to survive.
The Somali business owners have been meeting with members of Congress after months of appeals to several agencies of the US government, but they've had no success.
I think people will be driven by desperation to seek alternative solutions, which will probably be illegal channels. And that is, a terrible thing for both the regulatory system and for the consumers.
The banks are being dissuaded by US laws designed to curb potential terrorism financing. The Somali businesses say they are heavily regulated by US state and national authorities and well placed to monitor and report suspicious activity. They fear that without this vital cash, young Somalis will now be more vulnerable to the appeal of well-funded radicals.
It is likely to have completely negative impact on the national and global struggle against radicalism.
It's estimated by the charities Oxfam and Adeso that over $200 million is transferred each year by Somali-Americans, and about 80% of that is on the line. So despite this furious lobbying effort by Somali businessmen here on Capitol Hill, there appears to be no solution in sight, potentially driving hundreds of millions of dollars of transactions underground. Ryntjes, CCTV, Washington.